Hello my amazing people, welcome back again to Susan Best TV. Guys, we're gonna be making chinchin today. How are you all doing? I hope fine. So this is the first time I'm coming across this channel. You are welcome and I'm glad to have you as my family. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by to watch this channel. We really appreciate your support. So guys, I'm just going to explain how I made this and how I mixed it, and I will leave you to enjoy the music and also the view. Alright, I used 5 cups of flour, and I had used so the measurement of each cup is 150 ml, and I use 5 of it, and I use 150 ml of sugar and 15 ml of salt and also 15 ml of nutmeg. So guys, you can add whatever you want to do. It's optional guys, so just how you like it, that's how you can do it. So I've also make some chinchin this way but with cinnamon, so that will be coming next. Okay guys, so that is it. And after I mix it, I'm going to be putting butter and I'm going to be putting egg and everything. You will just see it. So when I finish mixing the dough, I'm going to cover it and allow it to rest. So this way you can get your texture out. You can get a perfect mixture. Your dough will be so good, and when you are cutting it, and to not stick to your table or whatsoever you're using to cut it. You know, cutting also matters a lot when it comes to cutting. So that's it guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. Please, if you like what I'm doing here, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. And this is milk. I will be adding milk too. Then after which, that's when I will add water. Alright, you can mix it with water, but first I have to add milk. I like that taste of milk. You know, when you are eating your chicken, you are getting that taste of milk. It makes it look tasty and interesting. So guys, I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for your support, and bye.